In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on CMC Markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, you want to go to the top right, and you want to click on Open Account. In here, you want to select your country that you live in, of course. I'm going to look for UK, and I'm going to click on over here. Now, it may differ a bit depending on where you live, but of course, it's going to be pretty much the same process. Now, you can select if you want to trade on a MetaTrader or, of course, the CMC Next Generation, which I'm going to use right now. It's completely up to you, and I'm going to click on here and then continue. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to be taken to the website, which is going to be basically your local website, and then you want to click on Create Account somewhere on your page. Then you have to type in your email first, so I'm just going to type in the email which I use over here. There we go. And then, of course, the password as well. Now, as you can see here, it noticed that I do have an account already. I'm just going to disregard this, and then again, you can select either MetaTrader 4 or MC or CMC platform. So I'm going to use the CMC platform, and I'm going to click on Continue. Now, when you do this, you can choose your account type. You can compare them if you're not sure which one to pick. I'm going to go with this one right now and click on Continue again. Now, as you can see, I do have an account already, so that's why it didn't register me. So I'm going to just log in right now over here. I do have a demo account though. That's why it's going to basically show me the demo account over here. And I'm just going to sign in like this, okay? But of course, if you are creating your account, you'll be able to basically put in your credentials, and then you'll be able to sign into your account that way. Now, of course, by default, I'm currently on my demo account. If I wanted to go to a live one, I can click on Open a Live Account up top, and then you'll be able to basically get verified. You're going to have to apply. You'll basically have to complete their simple online form. Then, of course, you'll have to fund your account, and then you'll be able to trade on desktop, mobile, or tablet apps, okay? So that's essentially how you do this. If you do have any questions, you'll be able to basically ask them via the live chat feature, and of course, that way you'll get your questions answered by their support team, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.